Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Microsoft Excel cannot access the file error. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first solution you can try is checking the length of Excel file name. When .xls/.xlsx file name size crosses the maximum limit of 17 characters, then you may receive this error. Therefore, ensure your file name should cross the limit of 17 characters. Another method you can try is checking and providing the right permissions to the file. To do so, find the affected Excel file, right-click on it, and click Properties. In the Properties window, click the Securities option and click Edit. In the Security window, select the user names under Group or User's Name. Check the file permissions and make sure the right option is enabled. If not, then grant the permission. Click Apply and then OK. The next solution you can try is to open Excel in safe mode. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to one of the installed add-ins. Open the Run dialog box using Win+R keys. Type Excel/safe and press Enter. Microsoft Excel will now open in safe mode. Updating Excel application to the latest version can also assist you to overcome Microsoft Excel cannot access the file error. Open the Microsoft Excel application. Click the Account option. Click Update Options and click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app and update it to the latest version. Sometimes, clearing the Microsoft Office cache can help eliminate this error. To clear the Microsoft Office cache, follow the given steps. Press Windows+R. To open the Run window, type %localapdata%\Microsoft\Office\16.0\Office file cache and press the Enter key. You can change 16.0 with your Office version. In the Office file cache window, clear all the temporary files. A corrupted Microsoft Office can also lead to this message. You can fix it by repairing the Microsoft Office files. For this, you have to open the Control panel. Click Programs, then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Right-click it and click Change. Select between Quick Repair and Online Repair. Then, click Repair. This repair process may take some time. If you are facing Microsoft Excel cannot access the file error due to file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to fix Microsoft Excel cannot access the file error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.